Welcome to another e-learning class. Just a really short one that's going to help you in Unit 5. There's two things that you really need to know. The first one relates to intensity in terms of exercise. So the way we're going to measure intensity during exercise is to constantly interact with the client by asking them at what rate they're working. So that obviously isn't an easy thing, because it could be, well, I'm working hard, I'm working really hard, I'm not working very hard. So we're going to use a scale of 1 to 10 that is based on something called the Borg scale. But this scale is simple. It's a 1 to 10 scale, and it's just really as we can just call it a how hard it is scale, if you like. So 1 would be doing virtually nothing at all, and 10 would be working as hard as we possibly can. Now, it can represent two things in terms of gym work, really. The first one, if we're using CV exercises, is it can relate to a percentage of maximum heart rate. So if someone says they're working at a number 6 or a number 7, that would represent 60 to 70% of their maximum heart rate. And when it's actually translated, it works quite well. Obviously, you would also use other skills, such as looking at them to see if they're sweating, doing the talk test and things like that. But that's the first way to use it. And the second way to use it would be in terms of strength. So how heavy is that on a 1 to 10 scale? And this would represent a percentage of 1 RM. 1 RM is 1 rep max, or as heavy as you, or as heavy an object as you can pick up for 1 rep. So 1 rep on a bench press, 1 rep on a squat. Obviously this is going to change as you get stronger, so it's really quite a difficult thing to keep doing. So to use this scale of 1 to 10 in terms of strength training or hypertrophy or endurance training is quite a handy tool. So we're going to use that right the way through the course, and also in your personal training career too. Something else that we're going to use for you in terms of making sure that you instruct your client correctly, there's two little acronyms we're going to use. The first one is NASTY. You can take your choice which of these you use, really. So this is the name of the exercise. The A stands for the areas that it works, so you will point to them and also name them. The S is a silent demonstration. So we just need a few reps or a little demonstration, because some people can't look and listen at the same time. T is then teach it. So you would now teach that person. You would get them on and you would explain to them how to do it as they do it. And finally, Y, your turn. So that's the first part. The second one that we can use, which is the one that I actually prefer, although it's an older one. This one is NAMSET. So NAMSET, the N stands for the name of the exercise again, so the first two are the same. The A is the area that it works, so again point to it and name it. We need your anatomical names. The reason we point to it and name it is that the client may not know the anatomical name, so you point to where it is and then say it. M, muscles, so as we said, areas it works, point to it and the muscle name. S, again, this silent demo. E, explain what you're doing after the silent demo. And then finally, you teach your client how to do it. So NAMSET, name of exercise, area that it works, the muscle groups, point to them, the silent demonstration, the explain and teach. Very simple, and I hope that helps you in your delivery in Unit 5. Thank you.